Hello, today I want to show you how I did the bench. It will be in two parts. First, the top with tiles, and the second part will be on the side with tiles, ceramics and stones. If you have a big project, the best way to cut your tiles are with the cutting machine. You will save a lot of time, trust me. And not only that, you can put also 3 pieces if it's power enough. And you do it just slowly so it doesn't get damaged. Because I'm cutting so many tiles, the machine will be very dirty, so I have to clean it every day and prepare it also for the next day. After cutting your tiles, the best thing is to wash them because they will be very dirty, and I'm very lucky. My mom's apartment, she has a very big balcony, so I can wash them. Okay, now, sorry for that. My hands are shaking. Well, you imagine you cut tiles for about 1 month or 6 weeks, something like that. I don't remember exactly. Anyway, I cut many, many tiles. And I want to do is do very simple, but I can't see that. Anyway, let's start to do the mosaic. But I saw in the same time that here the edges are not very nice. So I have to go through the sandpaper machine, and I will show you right now. Now that I'm doing my mosaic, you can see that I have to cut it also by hand, especially the small ones. And I'm using also the sandpaper because the edges are afterwards sharp. And with the machine, you don't need to use the sandpaper because they are not sharp. That's why it is very convenient to have a cutting machine like I have, especially for big projects. I'm using also the pencil and mark it so I know exactly where to cut. Okay, before I glue it, I do one line, have all the tiles ready, and then I glue it. I'm doing also the side of the bench. The top I do it in the morning, and in the afternoon I'm in my mom's bedroom and I do the side. This one I will show you on the next video how I'm doing those pieces. And the ceramic I showed already in a previous video that I did. Hope you get inspired. Thank you so much for watching until the end. See you next time. To see the continuation of this project and much more, it's easy, just subscribe so you won't miss it.